Do you want to connect or pair Bluetooth devices with your Samsung with other iPhone phone? Hey there, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can connect or pair Bluetooth devices with your Samsung phone. So let's move on. Method 1. Using quick settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen. Tap on Bluetooth. If you don't see the Bluetooth icon readily, you might need to swipe down again to expand the quick setting panel. With Bluetooth turned on, the phone will start scanning for available devices. Or you can scan manually by tapping on Scan. Locate the desired device from the list of available devices. Tap on it. You might see a pairing request pop up on both your phone and the other device. Tap Pair from both devices. Method 2. Using settings. Open Settings. Tap Connections. Toggle on Bluetooth if it's not already enabled. Or tap Bluetooth. Once the scan is complete, you will see a list of available devices. Tap on the desired device you want to pair with. You might see a pairing request pop up on both your phone and the other device. Tap Pair from both devices. So these are the processes to connect or pair Bluetooth devices with your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.